Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Golf R. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.